Hi, I'm Mark Mullin with Mullin Plumbing, the Red Rooter, bringing you a TU home team tip. You know, shutting the water off throughout your house can be done in a couple of different ways. For repairs, locate the stop near the valve or the fixture, and then remember, it's righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. It's always a good idea to locate your main shutoff valve in case of emergency or if you're away. Remember, no matter how big the valve is, it's righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Mullin Plumbing, the Red Rooter, and TU home team member.